It's coffee time. It's no-bake cookie time, too. Mama, tell them what you're up to.
I'm going to fix no-bake cookies, and it calls for 2 cups of sugar.
2 cups of white granulated sugar.
And that's what I'm putting in here right now.
It's sweet.
Yeah, cookies are sweet.
They're supposed to be. That's what makes them cookies.
Yeah.
If they weren't, they'd be cornbread. In the South, anyway.
So, and then it's 3 tablespoons of cocoa.
3 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa. 1 beautiful spoonful of cocoa. 2. 2.
3.
I was trying to get another spoon of cocoa in there.
And a dash of salt.
Just makes it sweeter.
Okay. And this, and then it calls for, get this mixed up just a little here. And then it calls for half a cup of milk, and this is what I've got measured out. Here's a half a cup of
whole milk. That's just vitamin D, sweet milk, whole milk.
If you use 2%, that's all right.
You can use 2%, but the whole milk gives it a little richer.
I don't use cream because it's too heavy. And I just mix this up. Now I'm going to put it on the stove, and I'm going to, when it comes to a good rolling boil, I'll time it for 1 minute. And then after that, I bring it off and I put 2 tablespoons or so of butter.
Makes it shiny, keeps it from being
half a cup of peanut butter and 2 cups of oatmeal and just a teaspoon
That's
of
instant
vanilla.
oats, ain't it, Mama?
Yeah, and that's all it does.
The butter makes it shiny. If you've ever made them and they're kind of hazy, and you think mine don't shine, that butter at the end gives them a glossy little goodness. These are Mama's signature cookie. This is what she takes when she takes something usually, because the kids at church love them. We used to have a preacher. Mama would make him a batch and then make us a batch because he loved them. And thank you for the stars, Yvonne. And so that's how it goes. Mama's timing. She puts a cup of water in there, and when it starts boiling, she pushes 60 seconds, and that's her timer. Now we got timers. We've even got the old girl over here who will time for her. But Mama's always done that in the microwave.
Yeah.
That may be what caused that hole to come in our old microwave.
Oh, I don't think so.
I don't know what caused that hole. You don't see pictures of that hole. I posted the picture of the hole that was in the microwave. I made peanut butter cookies this morning and fudge pumpkin pies. Diane.
Ooh, goodness.
Fudge pumpkin pies. Can you share that with us? Good evening, John and Momma. Hey, Vaughn, how are you? Hey, Gary, how are you? Folks, it's been a weird day today. It started out here this cloudy, overcast, and stormy. We had bad tornadoes come through the area, so y'all pray for those folks that was affected. We was sitting in church, and everybody's phones were it was just crazy. You can't silence those. You don't want to. They're emergency. But everybody had their phones on silence, but they were just all over the church going off. And we went out and took a look, or they did, and determined we weren't in any immediate danger. So we didn't go to the basement or anything, but we was prepared to if we needed to. But there were several folks that have seen pictures down the Facebooks about different homes and different trees down. It's just been bad on some folks. So do whisper a little prayer for all those folks affected by the storms. We're fine. We didn't even really have anything but hard rain here. No-bake cookies are one of your favorites. Ozark Living, it is a good one. Hi, John and Momma. Love no-bake cookies, Alice. We do too. Good evening, John and Momma from Arkansas. Hey, Maria. How are ya? Hey, Debbie. How are you? Hey, Jennifer. How are you? Hey, Bet. When I make those, I put, let me see what you put in there. Angel flake coconut in half of them. Bet, we have done Or I told Mama to put coconut in some one time. Did you ever do one with coconut, Mama?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just put one with a little bit of coconut in it. And you can also put craisins. You can add anything you want to. Whatever you add, you better make it quick. Because once that sets up, it's setting up. So you can add coconut and cranberry craisins, they call them. You can even put raisins in them. You can put nuts in them, pecans, pistachios, cashews. All those can be added. I've seen a thing where they added several things. Now, so Mama said, that coconut sounds good. You know what else I think would be good? Coconut, maybe a little bit of dried orange. Chocolate and orange is delicious together. But it would have to be dried oranges. You know, those when you can get them dried, or apricots. That would all be good in it. Peanut butter, non-chocolate. We do those, Tawana. Mama does the peanut butter, and she just adds another spoon, another cup of peanut butter, and deletes the cocoa. Half a cup of peanut butter. Sorry. She does a whole cup of peanut butter, total, and deletes the 3 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa. Hey, John and Mama made some no-bake cookies Saturday. Tracy, were they good? Busy night. Just wanted to say hi. Well, hi, Brenda. How are you? Hey, Susie Davison. How are you? She said maraschino's cherries would be good. Look, Mama's back already. Did you hear that microwave go? That meant a minute was beginning. Now, see how that's boiling? That's what you're wanting, folks. Boiling, boiling, boiling. A rapid boil that you can't stir down. And there goes 2 tablespoons of glossy butter. That's going to make them shiny at the end, didn't it, Mama?
Yeah.
And rich. It makes them rich.
Gives them a good flavor.
And now you stir that in.
And I'm going to put a teaspoon of flavor.
Vanilla.
Don't know what it does to it.
Makes it vanilla. Mama, you got peanut butter or something on your finger.
I stuck it in it right then when I was getting the flavor.
You got peanut butter in your chocolate.
I thought I had that open. But if they didn't, I didn't.
Glop, glop, glop. Teaspoon.
Oh, I can smell it.
Peanut butter.
It hit that hot chocolate.
Yeah, it makes it delicious. Remember one time you made it without it and I knew the difference.
Yeah, now here goes my half a cup of peanut butter.
Half a cup of peanut butter.
And I did run water in it. I didn't spray it.
You can spray it with some cooking oil or just rub a little vegetable oil in it, or
I usually just wet it with water. And
avocado oil would be good because there's no real flavor in avocado oil. Now stir the peanut butter. I'm excited for these cookies.
you ain't had none in a while, have you?
No, I only get them when you're going somewhere, Mama.
I don't know.
When you have a meeting, I have a eating. Mama's back on full circuit. Meeting, 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 meeting.
Yes, busy time.
Busy times. There she goes, folks. Those oats. And I always said this is health food. If anything you put oatmeal in, it has to be healthy. Goodness gracious. If it ain't what it is.
2 cups of oats.
2 cups of oats. Oatsy oats.
Not old-fashioned oats because they wouldn't.
No, the old-fashioned oats, it has to be instant.
Or cooks in a minute.
Or cooked minute oats. It has to be those that will soften with that hot chocolate. You just mix them up. Now here comes the fun part. This is my favorite part to watch. It's when she starts putting them out in perfect little piles. I'm gonna eat coffee. I hope you mess up one time, Mom.
Oh, you do.
Well, that'll guarantee me getting at least one of them.
I wouldn't be selfish.
I know, Mom. You might give me one even if one they don't mess up.
That's right. I usually do.
She's good to me. I'm just aggravating.
Okay, here I go trying.
Here.
It says drop a teaspoon, but I never have.
Mama makes the little, probably 2-inch oval. I always think hers look so perfect. When I make them, they're, look here, look here, look here. Oh, there's a drop, Mama. I'm going to take care of that.
Well, you're such a good son.
Oh, it's a good batch. It's a good batch.
Tastes good and chocolatey.
Oh, tastes like your no-bake cookies, Mama. Mmm.
There you go.
Perfect batch.
I can get them up before they start
You ain't going too fast.
setting up.
Mama, you used to go faster. That was like a shotgun.
I'm taking these somewhere, so I'm trying to get them more uniform. I'm gonna have to hurry then.
Yeah, we wouldn't be making these on a Monday night if she wasn't going to haul them out of here just as fast as she can. And it's not even that I'm bitter or jealous.
No, you'd never be that, would you?
Of course not, Mom. That's the reason I laugh when y'all say, do y'all ever hang out with anybody but just you and Mom? But if you only had a list. Mama hangs out with the world, I think.
Oh.
Mama, you got a lot of people you run around with. Now, don't you?
Yeah.
Have you broke the news? Tell me that you're going to go on a trip for long?
No.
She's got another trip planned. We'll give you more details later. Probably after. Mm-hmm.
I'm quitting.
You're quit?
I'm gonna let you have the spoon in the.
Oh, I get the spoon.
Yeah.
Folks,
There
they
you
are.
go.
Watch them dry.
Watch
Those
it
are
dry.
perfect. Those are a perfect batch, Mama. Let's do a flyover.
Fly over, like fly.
Look how good those are. And that's what you're looking for. And see how glossy they are? That's that butter, folks. That's that little bit of shine of butter. And they'll stay that glossy for a day or so. So while you're presenting them at a dinner or something, a gathering, a potluck, a church event, they're going to look pretty like that for a good while. Mama, you got anything else you're going to cook tonight or add?
No, we're got to go
She ain't
to my
cooking with me.
meeting.
I'm gonna chauffeur her. That's all I got to do. I'm a chauffeur. I'm gonna get me a chauffeur hat. I need to get an Uber license and I can charge Mama for running her around.
I don't think you can.
I don't think I can. She said. Oh, did you hear that?
You might get your license, but you're not going to charge me.
You ain't gonna charge Mama, she says. We don't even have an Uber here, I don't reckon. Y'all live in a place that's so
Knoxville's got them.
I
Closest one, I think.
I don't know. So out of touch, you don't have an Uber or DoorDash. They have DoorDashes in our county, but not right here. My favorite duo. Well, thank you, Tammy. You're so sweet. Hey, Margie. Mama, looks delicious. Well, thank you, Margie. Hey, Alexander. How are you? It's just peanut butter, no chocolate. Linda, I did too. Linda Bradshaw, I like the peanut butter ones really, really good too. Now, what Mama has done in the past is she'll take the peanut butter ones and she'll drizzle them with little Hershey's chocolate, or we'll just leave them and do chocolate and peanut butter. And I like to take a chocolate one, stack it on the bottom to bottom, peanut butter chocolate, and eat them like that, and it tastes like a Reese cup. Am I allowed to say Reese cup? I'm not trying to say we own Reese cup or nothing. We have no rights to Reese cup. Oh. Y'all's coffee, folks. I've been drinking it just like it's going out of style. If you haven't tried it, go on over and try it. And then tag on here and tell me which one you like the best. The house blend or the breakfast blend. I am drinking today house blend because I made 2 pots today. If I make 1 pot, I usually start out with breakfast blend. It just seems like the natural thing to do. And then in the evening, I think I want some of that house blend. So then I make me a pot of house blend. So I did make 2 pots today because I started out at 4:30 this morning. Ridiculous. I mean, it's in the middle of the night. But I did start out early, and I did start out with breakfast blend. Mama, if you'll come over here and talk to the folks and quit acting stuck up tonight.
We're going to have to get ready to go.
She ain't talking. I'm just teasing. She's over here trying to wash everything she's used because she can't leave nothing sit. Listen to her. You hear all... It sounds like a mess all in the kitchen.
Oh, Lord, don't.
Did you get it all done?
No, except that killer right there.
All except my spoon.
Spoon and killer.
So, Mama, since
Okay,
you got us in a rush this evening,
Get your
What?
pen down there.
is it ready?
Yes, it's
Look here, this is Tupperware. Look how pretty, it's just like glass. Look how clear. Uh-huh. And it's got this lid. And you put them paper doilies in there. I guess I gotta hold the Tupperware. Mm-hmm.
Let me get this towel out of my hand.
These are going to still be warm. They set up rather quickly, actually. Mama's in a nervous fidget, I can tell. Are you in a nervous fidget?
Yeah, running late.
Are you late? I didn't think we was late.
We're not late, but we're
You just want to be early.
We've got to be early.
Do you want to be early so you can judge all the other dishes as they come in?
No. I don't do that.
That's what you Southern women do sometimes, Mama.
I don't do that.
Mama, I've
I
heard
see
you.
how pretty they are.
I've heard you before.
How pretty somebody.
I've heard you before, Mama, say things like, I think they had those at the Walmart.
No.
I don't think she made that homemade.
Oh, I don't do that.
That chicken come from the KFC.
He's being mean now.
Look how pretty. I hope there's not room for these in this here pan. You ain't gonna let Maggie have one?
Maggie can't have chocolate.
Oh, I was hoping she hadn't remembered that. What about John?
You can have one.
Thank you, Mama. You're too good to me. I need a tiny one in that hole.
Right there.
Here's a little one. Look here. Watch this. That's probably the one I was going to get to heat, though.
Yeah, probably.
You reckon you're ready to double layer?
Yeah, we did.
Mama, let's say goodbye before we mess this whole thing up. As you can tell, I'm scared. I ain't going to do it. I'm going to let her do that double layer. Folks, thank y'all for putting up with us. Tonight was short, but sometimes they're long. Some of y'all like shorter, some of y'all like longer. So you short people, this one's for you tonight. We appreciate you. We thank you for being here. Like us, follow us, and share us. We're growing, and we appreciate it. We know we owe it all to you, and we appreciate y'all. Mama, you got anything else on your mind?
No, just have a very good night. God bless you all. Goodbye, Mama. Bye-bye.
You heard? Bye.